fines, $1,000 and $2,500, $8,000. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael.
Oh my god.
Michael Trader. I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So my friends, today I'm going to show you one of the coolest strategies for the binary options market and show how to make millions on the chat. And if you want to know how to do this, watch this video. So my dear friends, today as always I'm going to use several indicators, MACD and Keltner Channel. So now I'm going to open the first position. This is buy position. As you can see, we're going to break through the middle line of the Keltner Channel, and this is a very good signal for the growth. MACD indicator is giving us long signal also, so that's why we have opened buy position. By the way, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade. This allows me to save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. Just look at this big green candle, which is showing us good reaction for our trade, and of course we will get our money here. By the way, I have already changed our investment to $364. Price has already reached the upper edge of the Keltner channel, and we have realized our predictions concerning this trade. Price has shown us exactly what we expected from it. This is very good. The first trade was profitable one. Let's think about the next one. Let's check USD IRS currency pair. What can we see here? We can observe the candle pattern named hammer. This is the first sign of the beginning upgoing trend. That's why we should open buy position, investing our $364 here. Let's check what markets will show us right now. As you can see, price is going to break through the Keltner channel middle line, and it has already done this. Green candle is really good. We have lots of buyers right now, and they're quite strong. We have broken through the middle line. Now we're going to make the retest of that zone. We have already done this and continue growing. We need to make the new high right now in order to reach the upper edge of the Keltner channel. So if we do this, price will continue growing. However, all in all, we're already in profits. We have done the new high. We have renewed the high. That's good. Fine. So all in all, we got our money. Our trade was profitable one. We have $700 in the account right now. Let's continue. We have already changed our investment to $699. That's good. Let's check the next currency pair to trade. Let's check USD DZD currency pair. So concerning this trade, we have opened sell position. We have reached a strong level of resistance. After this, I'm expecting the pullback from that zone. So this trade is very simple, and we have invested $699 here. So perfectly done. We have around $1,300 on the account right now. That's good. That's really good. Let's think about the next trade, and let's change our investment to $1,300. Let's check USD BRL currency pair, and what do we have here? So we tried to break through the support line. However, we received a very good pullback from that zone, and after this, we should try to open buy position, expecting the potential growth. MACD indicator is also telling us about the chat. So we have opened buy position, investing $1,300 here. My friends, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, because here you'll get access to the same kind of trading sessions each day at the scheduled time, and opportunity to watch big green candles like this that will give you your money, your cash daily for free. Just use my trading signals that I will share with you in my private TG channel. Link in the description. My friends, okay, so let's wait a little bit and see what market will bring to us here. Of course, this trade will be profitable anyway, we understand this. Just we need to wait some time, and we did it. We have around $2,500 on the account. Very good, really good. Now let's think about the next trade, which currency pair we should use. Let's check another currency pair. By the way, we have already changed our investment to $2,500. Let's check Euro USD. So, concerning this trade, we have opened the buy position according to the current chart. As you can see, MACD first of all is giving us buy signal. Together with this, we have touched the middle line of the Keltner channel, and this is a good support line, after which I am expecting the good pullback reaction and growth towards the upper edge of the Keltner channel. So now let's just wait a little bit and see what will we get. Okay, so perfectly done, guys. We have $4,800 and let's change our investment to 3,000 right now. I guess we will open the last trade for today, the last one. Let's check USD INR currency pair. Let's open sell position. We have a very strong downgoing trend. We have reached the bottom of the Keltner channel and I'm expecting the breakthrough of it and continuation of the current drop. Let's check whether I am right. I'm sure that I am right, and still we have $1,800 left in the account. This is our hedge asset. If you remember, we started with just $192 and we have already earned a lot, and our 1,800, this is our hedge assets. All in all, we will have profits. However, if this trade is profitable, then we will get much more. So let's just wait a little bit, some seconds, until we will realize that we are once again in profits. For now, everything is going quite well really. Is giving us opportunity to earn money. We have $8,000 in our account. That's so fucking crazy and good. My friends, if you wanted to trade like this, be a millionaire in trading and professional trader, subscribe to my private TG, link in the description. Do this right now, it's for free, and I'm wishing you good and profitable day. Thank you all and bye bye.